So when our clients come to us with a need for a sales coach or a sales trainer, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look for somebody with a proven track record. We're not looking for the top sales rep at other companies. A lot of recruitment firms make this mistake. They look for top sales reps and they think they can just plug them into the sales coaching role. And that's not necessarily the best thing to do. Sometimes your best salespeople are just that. They're your best salespeople, but they're not really able to do the coaching and the training that you're looking for. So we're going to look for somebody that already has experience doing this and has success doing this, and that's going to make them effective day one. We're looking for somebody that knows how to break down the sales process, that's done ride-alongs, that's done client visits, that's been able to go along with reps in the sales process to clients' offices, or if they meet with people at a certain location, at that location, and break down their sales techniques and be able to give insight into how to become better salespeople. So whether it's the initial training when a salesperson comes on with your organization, or it's ongoing, we're going to understand the role, we're going to understand your company needs, and we're going to find that ideal candidate that's going to be able to make your sales force that much better.